So guys, this is our rose water, and here are two different ways you can use it. First one on our face.
Hello, gorgeous. Hi,
Okay, I'm coming
Glowy.
now.
Look at this.
Keep on watching this video if you want to learn how to make rose water. So right now I have my roses. I'll start off by peeling out the petals, as you guys are seeing. I know the roses are not overly fresh, but it's okay. It's okay. You can actually use dry roses, okay? So if you think you have a lot of roses, don't just leave those roses to waste. Then at the end of the day, you put it in the trash. You can dehydrate it, or you can use it fresh to make your rose water instead of buying from the store all the time. Yes. So after peeling off all the petals from the roses, look at those petals. There are actually a lot of them. Okay. So carefully pluck every single one of them. And the next thing you're gonna do is to wash them in a clean water so that you can remove if there is any dirt or toxin from the farm or anything. Just make sure you wash them. Look at me here. I was busy admiring the roses because they look so beautiful, guys. Okay, here we have our roses. We finished plugging it out. I'm just going to turn on this and pour like 2 cups of water. Then wash your roses. I'll actually wash these roses. This is so easy to make. You can start making this by yourself. Use it for your skincare and your hair. You have to let it to boil for like 10 minutes, but you have to keep the heat low. Yes, keep your heat low, okay? It's been boiling for the past 5 minutes, and at this juncture I would like to add some essential oil to it. As you guys can see, the color is coming out. Look at that. Look at the color. Look at that. You see? Did you see that? Oh my god. You still have to leave it on low heat, but now let's add some essential oil. This is vitamin E plus black castor oil. Very wonderful for hair and skin. Remember, we're using this for our hair, our facial, and our skin. So we're just gonna add some drop. Okay. Another one. And here I have my peppermint oil. You guys, I don't go wrong with peppermint oil. I love it so much for my hair products and skin too. Just a little bit because this is totally concentrated, so you don't need too much. That is enough. And here we also have tea tree oil, also 100% essential oil, pure. Don't need too much, just a little bit, few drops. Look at the smell, so good. So we need to leave it to cool down, and I'll see you guys after that. Okay. Just completely cooled down. Now we're going to strain it. Okay. And transfer it to your favorite container for easy use. Okay. Oh, perfect. It's gonna be getting like.
So guys, this is our rose water, and here are two different ways you can use it. First one, on our face, you just have to get a cotton wool, this or cotton pad. So you can use it as a toner or cleanser. Relax. Going to keep your face moisturized and nourished. You use it to cleanse your face before applying your makeup. Even if to remove your makeup also, you can still use it, okay? So for our hair, of course, you can use this to detangle your hair. So detangler, moisture as a means to moisturize your hair, to set it light, to make your hair a little bit damp before applying your product. If you don't feel like washing your hair, but you still want to get your hair wet, understand? You do it on there. Don't bother to wash it out, okay? Spray on the scalp too. I'm going to be wearing wig. That's why I this blade. So just go ahead and pull this one down. Cornrow can be tricky. Don't forget that you can also spray this on your wig. Okay. That is all with this video. To learn something new today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.